Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Marshall3660 here today.
And I'm Rosie Samantha. Hey everyone.
Today, we'll be ranting on
Farewell Foxy, aka Farewell Forever. His name's a goddamn lie.
So first off, I had to freaking make a whole nother account because he blocked me only for giving him criticism when he went ahead and started harassing me and my friends. He plays the victim card because he goes on to make things like death threats towards me and then straight up acts like I'm bullying him and harassing him.
Like, let me get this straight. If you're too much of a bitch to take the criticism and to freaking, I don't know what the word, something that you started, then you shouldn't have fucking started in the first place.
Exactly, and I will be showing you guys, there we go, proof in the pudding.
That's what I like to call a fucking dumbass.
He literally said he would kill me. Keep that in mind. He said he would kill me.
You don't even know where he lives.
Exactly, and then after that, he goes on, sorry I was scrolling down to make sure I didn't miss anything by the way, he goes on to post things like this, basically seeking attention. He's literally just an attention seeker and a straight up manipulator. He's literally manipulating people and hating on me and acting like I'm bullying him when I'm just giving him criticism.
We're only giving criticism.
What you're saying here is pure manipulation and at its finest.
Exactly.
Here's some proof of what he's been saying about me behind my back when he had me blocked. So, doing like that is really cool. He straight up continues to talk crap about me when he has me blocked. And his little friend here decides to get involved when this had nothing to do with him. So let's go ahead and look at some of this proof, shall we? I'll read it out for y'all. Make it fun. Let me try from the beginning, actually. We do not want to miss a single bit. Let's see what we got. Okay, here we go. I want your help to make Marshall3660 bad as well. He bullied me a long time ago. First off, no I didn't. All I said was Foxy the Pirate, which is a fictional character, is not real. And you got on your high horse all because I said a fictional character was made by Scott Cawthon himself was not real.
It's fucking real.
He said, please help me, I beg you as well. And his friend brother before that said, I may not be able to hack her, but I'll try to get her to admit somehow. We need a plan to hack them. He's basically been going on saying crap like, oh, that he's gonna hack me. And I even have proof that I was sending to my good friend X King. As you can see right here, proof. Well, although that is what I just showed you, there is more than that. As you can see right here, he's victim carding. That bit was only proof of the victim card part. But I believe it was, which one of these? One of these have my evidence of him saying he wanted to get me hacked. There we go. It's right there. If we don't hack them. He's literally trying to basically get me hacked. And he's not the only one who's been getting on his high horse when criticism comes towards him. We're also going to be talking about his little friend, Farwell for Eternity. Now, profile-wise, I don't see too much on his profile that's worth criticizing.
Only for the fact that he actually steals art, and he's actually pretty much a big racist.
I would say this is definitely worth criticizing. But let's go on to this fake account that one of them, I can't confirm who, but one of them went on to make a fake account about me, which they sooner gave me the info. The reason I'm showing you this info is because I changed the password already, so it's safe to show. But he went on to say KYS multiple times on my profile, and multiple times when being criticized by me, whether it be from Farwell Foxy or himself. He straight up just said KYS. I'm going to show you a little bit more. Oh yeah, and he also tries to act cool, which I assume is part of his little manipulation bit, and trying to get everyone to be on his side and think he's the best person ever and cool or whatever.
There's actually shit. I've actually even dated him once, and it was pretty fucking horrible.
I'm trying to find this certain post. There was a certain post where one of his friends brought up such an invalid point. Like, it was just completely invalid. He said the Farewell Foxy had more followers than me. Now, why this is an invalid point is very simple. That has nothing to do with anything. We at no point in this argument were talking about followers or relevancy or anything of the sort. He straight up, out of the blue, just brought that up, which I assume is his little way of saying, oh, you're irrelevant. Which, by the way, buddy, I am actually not irrelevant whatsoever.
Jake Paul's the irrelevant one, and so are you, Farwell Foxy.
Well, I wouldn't say Jake Paul is irrelevant, but his friends went ahead and
I
said,
do consider him irrelevant.
you're down here, to Comedy Shorts Gamer with their hand down. But I have to say this to the person on this off topic. Wait, who are you again? I'm sorry, who are you? But jokes, but not off the topic of Jake Paul, guys. This person is a complete hypocrite because he won't harass you.
Oh, look, Tremor Earth God / Aura God is on his side.
So here's what I find very stupid about this account, guys. Once he criticizes you, it's a-okay. But when it's you he criticizes you, or he harasses you, I should say, it's a-okay apparently. But later, whenever you decide to go, gives him a little criticism to him, he straight up he just blocks you. He literally blocks you. And I'm sorry, guys, I cannot find the post. Apparently, I don't know. He must have deleted all my comments on the account I left it on, because looking at all of his comment section, it's not there. And I know I made it on a pretty new post, I would say. Though I might not be scrolling down far enough. Wait, here. No, that's not it, is it? I don't think it is. Yeah, it looks like we can't find this one. But mark my word, there we go. Here's a little proof. I don't have any comments on this. Apparently, he deletes all criticism towards him. But once again, another proof of his friends saying KYS, and his friends, along with him, straight up getting on their high horse. Samantha, what do you have to say about this?
I actually have quite a lot of dirt on his past.
And I would love to hear it.
Alright. So this is coming from when I dated him.
Make it a bit fast, though, because we do not have long.
Alright, so this came from when I dated him. Holy fucking shit, was that the worst choice ever? He, no joke at all, continuously decide to think it's okay to do sexual stuff to me, which is fucking messed up.
And you didn't want to do this,
whatsoever.
And you didn't want to do it, did you?
Nope, I did not.
So what I'm hearing here is he was forcing you into a sexual roleplay you did not want to do.
That's basically the reason that I broke up with him, and he's a rapist.
So what I'm hearing here is he was trying to force you into a sexual roleplay you did not want to do, but he continued even when you made it clear that you didn't want to do it. He still continued to try to force a roleplay on you that you didn't want to do.
Exactly.
I'm correct in this, right?
He does this with every single Mangle account he finds.
He's literally just obsessed with Mangles.
He literally flirts with them and refers to Mangle as his wife. And
even though it's a
even one of my exes was a victim of this little bitch. Even though a certain ex his crush at the time was not him, but me, which really surprised me at that point. So, yeah.
Samantha, do you have any last words you want to say to and or about Farwell Foxy?
I think I said my words.
In conclusion, Farwell Foxy, you are a hypocrite, a manipulator, a straight-up scumbag, a liar, and you cannot take criticism whatsoever without blocking someone for it. And basically censoring criticism, you basically censor any criticism towards you and delete comments when they have criticism on you. And I think with that is the end of this video.
Yep.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, obviously, to my wonderful partner, Samantha. It's pretty obvious, we do a lot of videos together. I will be trying to keep up with more rant makers soon. I want to do another rant maker pretty soon, and I will be attempting to do that.
That we're not fucking dating.
That might be a video in the future, just a regular video,
yeah.
But
yes, because this shit's actually kind of pissing me off for a while now.
Yeah, let's go ahead and make it clear right now, and I might make another video if needed. Me and Samantha are not dating. We never have dated, and I doubt it's gonna happen.
Exactly.
So for the love of God, stop with the whole me. Oh, are you and Samantha a couple? I answered it right here. We aren't. And now that I say that, people are probably gonna say we're a couple just to be annoying. Like, now that I say that, people are just gonna say it in the comments just for the memes. And they joke around.
I know some kid's gonna say it.
No, my fans are probably gonna say it as a troll. I know there's gonna be one of those subscribers of mine that just go out to do this to freaking troll me.
Like, again, we're not dings, so if I see one comment about that shit, boy, I'm coming after you.
Yeah. But guys, like I said, subscribe to my wonderful partner Samantha. Rant Makers will be soon. If you don't know what Rant Makers is, that's my podcast series with me, Caliver, Savage, Julia, and my wonderful partner here, Samantha. We have our own podcast series on this channel. I upload it. I try to do it when I can. A little hard because we all have school. Caliver's literally in high school, and so is Samantha, I believe. And Julia is always busy as well.
Yeah.
Don't know too much about Savage, to be honest. We don't talk too much. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. As I said, one final time, subscribe to my lovely, lovely partner, Samantha. She uploads wonderful content, and she definitely deserves more subscribers.
Yes.
So subscribe to her. Her link will be in the description below, and I'll leave our Twitters in the description below. I might leave a link, or I might just leave the @ part of it. I don't know. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See y'all in my next video. Peace.
Peace out.